How to enable cookies on iPhone browser. So, the very first step is to click on your settings or go to your settings app and then scroll down and look for Safari. So Safari is right here, found under FaceTime and above Weather. So click on Safari, scroll down once again, and look for the Privacy and Security section. Once you're in Privacy and Security, what you're going to do now is to click on Block All Cookies and make sure that this toggle button is turned off. So you know that this toggle button has been turned off if the color turns into gray and not green. So if it is green, click on it, and then right there, the toggle button now has turned into gray, which signifies that all your cookies will now be allowed on your iPhone. So again, make sure that this toggle button right here has turned into gray, which indicates that all cookies has been unblocked or is now allowed on your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can enable cookies on iPhone browser.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.